Okay, guys. I'm trying to figure out who's laying these eggs. This one and that one. I know who it's not. It is not that one. It is not that brown one. It is not that one. And it is not those two. So, hold on. I'm going to go inside and let's look around. Okay, I don't know if it's that one. I know it's not those two either. It's not that one. I doubt it's these two. I think these are black copper Morans, but I'm not sure. Not her. It's possible it's her, one of them. It's possible it's that one. She's highly stressed right now. She wants to come out. She got caught in there. I have them in there because I want to see if they will lay in there for me. It worked the first day. Now it won't. I don't know if I should keep her in there. She looks stressed out. I'm gonna take her out. I feel bad. Come on, girl. Come on. I think I'm gonna pick out one of the girls tonight so they can and when it's dark and then they're not so stressed. Girl, what color egg you lay? Huh? I know you're a blue carrier. I know it. You my green layer? It's not her. And definitely not her. I know what color she lays. So, my culprits could be one, that one, or that one. Those are my two possible ones. Everyone else is a brown layer, or a light brown layer, or a blue layer. I know which ones those are. My floor works. I'm gonna start laying, oh no, not laying. I'm gonna start hatching from them in a little bit. That's blue layer. Huh. This could be one. She could be one of them. Hey, get off. Get off, girl. Okay, guys. If you're interested in layers, some of these are for sale or for rehoming.